Hey, what are you doing? Hop down, please. That's not how we use those. Sadie. Thank you. What are you doing in here? Trying to have a jam sesh? You gonna hide under the bed? What you... How are you gonna get out of there? What are you doing, goofball? Where'd Sadie go? Where'd Sadie go? There she is, with a binky in her mouth. Score. Uh-oh. I'm predicting tears. Oh. Yeah,